Next video in our series as we're building a working prototype. Today we're going to take a quick look at webhooks. So webhooks enables us to plug into external systems, and we do this through the scripting part, either in the pre or the post script. So I have an example here of Slack webhook. So in Slack you can go in and register a callback so that whenever something is posted to this URL, using this body, it will show up in your Slack group. So this shows you simply how to configure this. So we say here's the URL, and here's the body that will be sent in the post. So the example of how this webhook would be called in BizLogic script is you would say webhooks, get the webhook called Slack, which we called Slack, and then just say post. So I have this already configured, so we didn't have to put you through the typing. And this is how that would be done. So if I went over into BizLogic, I'm going to copy this. And what I want to do is every time a new stock is added, I want that to be sent to Slack so it pops up in my Slack. If that's the case, I would go over to my stocks in BizLogic. And on this one, I would do it in the post request script because it's already been added to the database. And this gets called after it's been added into the database and just before we send the response. So I would post this and say in the post request, and I would change that to the create actually. We change that to the create, and then we would update it. And then now, anytime a stock is created, you will now get a Slack notification sent into your group. So this is a little example of how to involve webhooks into your working prototypes. So it's really neat. It could be just Slack, it could be other services. Really, it's up to you. You configure the post and you configure the body that is sent. So that's the summary on webhooks. Thank you.